Do you want to know how you can log into your Yale Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Yale Payroll account. Go ahead and open in your browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Yale Payroll Login and click on this second link over here. If you click on the first link, it will take you to this page and you can click Workday and it will take you to the same page over here. Or it can take you to the login portal. If you click on the second link and click login to Workday, then it will take you to the login portal. So these two are the same portals. Go ahead and write down your net ID on the first box over here and go to your password section and write down your password. Check your password once and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Yale Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link, so go ahead and click on forgot my password and a mail will be sent to you by Yale. Go ahead and click on the reset mail and then you can reset your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Yale Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.